If you don't want anyone to see your followers on Instagram without your approval, here's a step-by-step guide on how to pull that off. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram, okay? And then basically make sure that your Instagram account is switched to basically the personal mode. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click my profile at the bottom right, and then click the three bars or three horizontal lines at the top right, and then scroll a little bit down and into that until you find that section who can see your content, and then click account privacy and make sure that you turn on the account privacy or turn on the private account. In that way, no one will be able to see your followers or following or your posts without your approval. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.